Welcome to Easy English Room, your shadowing practice for real English speaking.
Have you ever visited a place where every room seemed to tell a different story? Exploring somewhere unfamiliar can be exciting, especially when every small discovery leads to another. I'm so glad you've joined me today for another peaceful English practice here at Easy English Room. Today's shadowing session is created especially for intermediate English learners at the B1, B2 level. Together, we'll experience a visit to a local history museum during a special open day. We'll explore fascinating exhibits, meet friendly staff members, and enjoy natural conversations that you might hear in everyday life. As the story unfolds, you'll practice English in a calm and realistic setting. Remember, there's no need to rush. Listen with attention, repeat each sentence comfortably, and let the rhythm of spoken English become more familiar. Every sentence you practice is another step towards speaking with greater confidence. Whenever you're ready, let's begin. Listen first before you repeat. Pay attention to the natural rhythm. Speak clearly and at your own pace. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Each sentence is another chance to improve. Let's begin. A special museum event was happening this afternoon. Listen carefully. A special museum event was happening this afternoon. Several visitors waited patiently outside the main entrance. Your turn. Several visitors waited patiently outside the main entrance. Large banners welcomed everyone to the exhibition. Repeat after me. Large banners welcomed everyone to the exhibition. Friendly volunteers handed out simple maps. Say it aloud. Friendly volunteers handed out simple maps. The map showed every gallery inside the building. Repeat that. The map showed every gallery inside the building. A smiling guide greeted each visitor warmly. Your turn. A smiling guide greeted each visitor warmly. Please enjoy your visit today. Read it aloud. Please enjoy your visit today. The welcoming atmosphere immediately felt relaxing. Repeat after me. The welcoming atmosphere immediately felt relaxing. Ancient objects filled the first exhibition hall. Your turn. Ancient objects filled the first exhibition hall. Beautiful pottery stood inside glass display cases. Say it naturally. Beautiful pottery stood inside glass display cases. Each piece looked carefully preserved. Repeat that. Each piece looked carefully preserved. Small information cards explained every object clearly. Your turn. Small information cards explained every object clearly. Several families stopped to read together. Listen carefully. Several families stopped to read together. Children asked thoughtful questions with curious faces. Repeat after me. Children asked thoughtful questions with curious faces. Parents enjoyed discovering new facts together. Your turn. Parents enjoyed discovering new facts together. The guide shared an interesting historical story. Say it again. The guide shared an interesting historical story. Everyone listened with complete attention. Repeat that. Everyone listened with complete attention. A large painting caught my eye immediately. Your turn. A large painting caught my eye immediately. The bright colors still looked impressive today. Read it aloud. The bright colors still looked impressive today. Many visitors quietly admired the artwork. Repeat after me. Many visitors quietly admired the artwork. One gallery displayed old musical instruments. Your turn. One gallery displayed old musical instruments. Some instruments were hundreds of years old. Say that naturally. Some instruments were hundreds of years old. Their careful designs revealed amazing craftsmanship. Repeat that. Their careful designs revealed amazing craftsmanship. Soft classical music played in the background. Your turn. Soft classical music played in the background. The peaceful sound matched the quiet surroundings. Listen carefully. The peaceful sound matched the quiet surroundings. An interactive display attracted a small crowd. Repeat after me. An interactive display attracted a small crowd. Visitors pressed buttons to hear recorded stories. Your turn. Visitors pressed buttons to hear recorded stories. Learning became both fun and memorable. Say it aloud. Learning became both fun and memorable. A short documentary began inside a small theater. Repeat that. A short documentary began inside a small theater. Comfortable seats invited everyone to relax. Your turn. Comfortable seats invited everyone to relax. The film explained how the town changed over time. Read it aloud. The film explained how the town changed over time. Several old photographs appeared on the screen. Repeat after me. Several old photographs appeared on the screen. The audience watched with great interest. Your turn. The audience watched with great interest. The presentation ended with warm applause. Say it again. The presentation ended with warm applause. Everyone slowly returned to the exhibition halls. Repeat that. Everyone slowly returned to the exhibition halls. A volunteer recommended the final gallery. Your turn. A volunteer recommended the final gallery. That room featured remarkable local inventions. Listen carefully. That room featured remarkable local inventions. Creative ideas shape everyday life for generations. Repeat after me. Creative ideas shape everyday life for generations. Every invention solved a practical problem. Your turn. Every invention solved a practical problem. Simple ideas sometimes create lasting change. Say that naturally. Simple ideas sometimes create lasting change. The gift shop offered books and handmade souvenirs. Repeat that. The gift shop offered books and handmade souvenirs. Several visitors searched for meaningful keepsakes. Your turn. Several visitors searched for meaningful keepsakes. A small postcard seemed like the perfect choice. Read it aloud. A small postcard seemed like the perfect choice. The cashier wished everyone a pleasant evening. Repeat after me. The cashier wished everyone a pleasant evening. Thank you for visiting our museum today. Your turn. Thank you for visiting our museum today. Walking outside felt different after the visit. Say it again. Walking outside felt different after the visit. The town suddenly seemed full of hidden stories. Repeat that. The town suddenly seemed full of hidden stories. Every building carried a piece of history. Your turn. Every building carried a piece of history. The afternoon inspired a new sense of curiosity. Read it aloud. The afternoon inspired a new sense of curiosity. Exploring together made learning feel completely natural. Repeat after me. Exploring together made learning feel completely natural. Today's visit became an unforgettable experience. Your turn. Today's visit became an unforgettable experience. Wonderful work today. You stayed with the story from the first step inside the museum until the final walk home, practicing natural English all the way through. Every sentence you repeated helped you become more comfortable with real spoken English, and that's something to feel proud of. Thank you for spending this peaceful time with Easy English Room. Keep practicing regularly, speak with confidence, and remember that steady progress comes from small daily efforts. I hope today's journey was both relaxing and enjoyable, and I look forward to sharing another fresh English experience with you in our next shadowing session. Until then, take care and keep your English growing one sentence at a time.